Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize credit card transactions to be categorized in Rocket Money. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your Rocket Money app on your device. Log into your account using your credentials. Navigate to the Transactions section from the main menu. Locate the transaction you want to categorize. Tap on the transaction to view its details. Select the category option that appears. Browse through the available categories. Choose the most appropriate category for the transaction. If needed, you can create a new category by selecting Add Category. Enter the name of your custom category. Save the changes and return to the transaction view. Confirm that the transaction is now categorized correctly. If you have multiple transactions to categorize, repeat the process for each one. To authorize credit card transactions for automatic categorization, go to the Settings menu. Select Accounts and find your credit card account. Enable automatic categorization for credit card transactions. Review the settings to ensure they match your preferences. Once enabled, Rocket Money will categorize future transactions automatically. Regularly check your transactions to confirm their accuracy. Adjust categories as needed to reflect your spending habits. By following these steps, you can ensure that your credit card transactions are accurately categorized in Rocket Money. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.